put the rub on the steaks, and so now we're going to go ahead and heat the oil. We're going to put a tablespoon of oil in the pan. We're going to move it around to make sure that it's evenly coating the bottom and a little bit up on the sides. We're going to take our steak and just saute it. And we're going to keep this pan because when we make the sauce we're going to be removing the steak. And because this steak is in effect going to be cooked twice, we're really just marking it right now and getting some of the Cajun seasonings onto the pan. The water for our beans is just starting to boil, so we can go and take a cup of fava beans or lima beans and add them to the water. So again, we just want to mark these steaks because we are going to simmer them in a red wine sauce later on.